And if you're selling your home, maybe we should start a conversation about that as well. Checking out the Continental. Again, just not 100% sure that I have done a Continental before. That's something to do with these beautiful elevations they have out here. Oh my goodness. I don't know if Waxhaw forces this on Pulte Homes or other builders, but I love it. I have very particular views on what's important in resale, and that's one of them. And it's not just your home, it's the whole neighborhood. You got a neighborhood, all have different distinctive elevations, and again, elevations, all that means is what the front of the home looks like. That's a big deal. Not so much what's in here right now. Live in the home that you want to live in. When it comes time to sell, then find out what the world is screaming at you is important. That's just a water closet. And decide then if you're going to spend the money. Well, where is it? It's not a tandem, but definitely a little extra storage right there. Man, I love some natural light. I know they leave them without blinds, but until they put them on and you choose to close them or open them, I still think it looks good. And again, I've done this on other videos, so I don't know what order you're going to watch them in. But having that shade during the summer, a covered porch, and then have that pad next to it where you grill out. If you get nervous about the heat coming off and going up underneath there, I would be. Let's head on up. All right, I'm gonna swing through this one. End at the primary suite. Most important room in the house. It's where the people that pay the bills live, sleep, anyway. So this secondary bedroom has its own bathroom. Again, get your grades up, youngins. That's the one that's gonna get the bathroom with, the bedroom with their own bathroom. Unless you're a Democrat. What is going on here? Shocker. Linen closet. Hello, everybody. Storage. Laundry. And your primary suite. Already second guess myself. There was something, it's the closets. There's two of them. So one of them was behind the door. I looked at this one and I was like, well, I don't know. I laugh every time I see that right there in the shower. I love soaking in the shower. If I had a seat in mine, I mean, that's water would I waste. Here we go. I don't know why I didn't turn on the light. So you got two. Check out that community drive-through here in a couple of seconds. Well, here it is, the Forest Creek drive-through, Pulte Homes neighborhood, Waxhaw, North Carolina. Little fast, little slow, little drive-through, little aerial. I hope you enjoy it. here it is, the Forest Creek drive-through Pulte Homes neighborhood, Waxhaw, North Carolina. Little fast, little slow, little drive-through, little aerial. I hope you enjoy it.